So my name is Amy Simon and I am the Global Head of PR and Talent at Prettylittlething. So I am basically responsible for our global PR and influencer strategy across all of our key markets. That's UK, US, Ireland, France, Australia. So yeah, it's super fun. So I'm here at the FRA doing a masterclass in storytelling in PR. We've actually had some of the amazing FRA students as part of our internship program at Prettylittlething. So I've just come to speak to them a little bit more about what I do and give some hints and tips and tricks in public relations. There's been like a massive shift from obviously the focus being on like print to now obviously online, and then also your content creators. We work with so many different influencers, and I think from like a PR standpoint as well, that's also shifted onto social, YouTube, TikTok, Threads, X, etc. We've also seen the shift in that a lot of journalists are now becoming content creators as well, so they're sort of weaving in, you know, being able to write about a particular launch or a campaign to then feeding that in through their social channels. PR is a huge part of our overall marketing strategy. Obviously, you want the brand to always be front of mind when journalists are working on various articles, whether it's like the best party wear or it's a campaign that we've just launched. And I think that's something that PLT do really, really well, especially with the calibre of talent that we work with. We've done some incredible campaigns. There's always something to talk about. Be willing to do anything and everything. I started off as an intern and I was actually an intern for 2.5 years. And I remember having, you know, down days of thinking I'm never going to get this career in the fashion industry that I want. You need to work hard. There might be some days where you're sitting in a sample cupboard and you're untangling jewellery or labelling shoes, but I had to do it, and I definitely wouldn't be where I am now if I hadn't have done that. If there's a period in the press office where you might not necessarily have something to do, like find something to do. The industry is super small. We all go on recommendations, so leave like a really good impression and don't wear heels.